Hi everybody. Embedded operating system management is a process management that is in that we are discuss about the dual core design. It's a multi-chip, that's a multi-core ware, and mainly the systems containing the cell like a chip, and it will contain the chassis containing the multiple separating systems, mainly CPU core and CPU core 1. Register caches is have mainly the memory. It's the main process of dual core design for the memory unit. Mainly, the clustered systems we have the multiple process system, but the multiple system is working together. Mainly, the storage area network, that is not SAN. We can usually share the storage via the information. Mainly, provide the high availability, asymmetric clustering, and asymmetric clustering. These are the main measure of the monitoring system of each memory. And some clusters high performance computer, that is a HPC, and applications. The applications must have written the parallelization and some distributed log, the DLM. These are the conflicting of operating systems where used in the control of the devices. Mainly, we have interconnect all the computer with storage area network. Likewise, you can able to store whatever the three computers have the information, it will be automatically stored here. So automatically, this is centralized or cluster system we can use. And multi-programming branch, that is a batch wise, have the efficiency. It's a single user and can be used as CPIO devices. Mainly we can use by the all the times. And the multi-programming organizing the jobs is the code of data set from the information. And the CPU always has the one to execute and subset of all the jobs, total jobs in the systems to keep the memory, and one job selected a various job for scheduling, and mainly to wait the IO systems, for example of operating systems, which is another jobs. And time sharing, there's a multitasking of logical extensions, which is CPU, and mainly the jobs so where the frequently users that can interact with each other, like while running the creating the interactive computing, mainly the resources, and of each programming to execute the memory, the process, mainly the several jobs is ready to run the same time of CPU scheduling, and the process will fit the memory of swapping memories to convert out the virtual memory, and we can able to complex will be stored here. And operating systems mainly the interrupt driven of hidden software, like hardware and software. The hardware interrupt may be offer the mainly the software devices such as we can use to exceptions and trap or informations. Software error, request operating system error, and other process we can able to include the infinite loop process we can use. Mainly we have the operating systems, we have different jobs to store the information here. And mainly the migration of data, that is a data from the register to register to multitasking environments must be carefully used to most recent values, no matter where it will be stored, or strong hierarchy we can use, store the hierarchy we can use. The multiprocessor of environment must provide a catchy coherency to hardware, such as all the CPU have the most recent valuable and their caches in distributor of situation, the more complex problem here. And mainly one purpose of operating system to hide the particular hardware devices from the user. The IO systems are responsible for the memory and management system include the buffer and storing information. Mainly the protection and the security. The protection, the mechanisms such as controlling access of processor or user to resources to define the operating systems, and the security define the operating system against internal and external attacks. How the information or storage will be maintained by the internal and external attacks, and how to prevent the system in the various like virus, worms, and deal on services, and identify the theft, that and all we can identify by using this. Security, mainly the user ID, user gap underground, the privilege methodology we can use to prevent the data. Mainly the ports and network compared within the clients or within the wireless network we can use, and also the firewalls also is a traditional one we can use to the community environment to prevent the information. And also the computing environment, the mobile, they handle the smartphone, tablet and all, and the extra features and operating systems we can use by using the augmented reality AI we can use. And IEEE 2.11 wireless technology and wireless communication also I can use. And that Google Android and iPhone also we can use. The real-time operating system we can use to purpose of operating system and various special purpose operating system also we can use. These are the open source operating systems. Thank you.